Rotate the triangle D through 270 degrees anti-clockwise about the point -2, -1. Label the image E. So first things first here, we're going to trace the shape, okay. We're also going to trace the axes, okay, on my tracing paper here. Axes there at the origin. Now it says anti-clockwise, so we know we're going to go that way, and 270 degrees. So if you think about it, 270 degrees is 3 lots of 90 degrees, okay? So 270 degrees is just 3/4 turn. And it's about that point there, -2, -1. So if I go to that point, right? So I've got my axis system now in place. I've traced the shape. That point, -2, -1. Now remember, the first number tells you how many we go across. It's -2. And then -1 is down here. So I'm going to rotate it about that point. So it's important to take your time on this, double check now, trace the shape. I've got the axis system here. Have I got the right point? Or -2, -1, yeah, going back -2 down to -1. So it should be here. So let's now rotate it. Remember now, anti-clockwise as well. So let's just do a 1/4 turn to begin with. So I'll stop when the axis is upright again. So there you go, there's my 1/4 turn there. And I'm even off the grid here, okay? That's a 1/4 turn. Okay, so there's another 1/4 turn, so I'm slightly maybe off here. You just got to, that's why it's so important to get accuracy here. So that's where it should be, shouldn't it? I'll double check it later. And again, I'm off the grid. Okay. Then let's rotate it again, 1/4 turn. So I'll keep going until the axis is opposite upright again. So there you go, there's the X and Y axis there. And that's where we end up, okay? So I'm slightly off a little bit. I'm pretty certain that point should be here. That point should be here. And that point should be there, okay? So let's just join them up and we're going to check it then to see if I've done it right. Okay, so I'm going to use a pen this time to hold that point in place. So I've got my, let's put it perfectly on top here. There's the axis there. So I'm going to put my pen here on that point, push it down, and I'm going to rotate it a 1/4 turn. That's better this time, I think. Another 1/4 turn. And the third 1/4 turn then. So I'll stop there, okay, where it's the axis system again. So I've done 3/4 turn, and you can see it's a bit better this time, isn't it? Yeah, it's much better this time where you can see the shape line on perfectly the one I've rotated. So it does say to label it E, and we're done.